was provided assistance. Saan galing ha? Saan galing itong 29 million na binigay na assistance? O pakinggan natin ha. Again.
29 million pesos was provided for assistance to affected families. This came from DSWD,
This came from DSWD
LGU, MDMO, and the Office of the Vice President.
and the Office of the Vice President.
And the table shown are the breakdown of the assistance provided. So let me briefly discuss them or mention them. There are 23,197 number of affected families requiring assistance, and a total of 29,000 or 29 million was given as cost of assistance